Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we will look at the top natural wonders in China that you need to visit. From the breathtaking peaks of Jiuzhaigou to the surreal beauty of Jiuzhaigou, China is a land where nature showcases its artistry. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just seeking inspiration, these destinations will leave you in awe. So, let's dive into the incredible landscapes of China. Our journey begins with the Danxia landform in Xiangye, Gansu Province. Known as the Rainbow Mountains, this geological wonder features a mesmerizing palette of reds, yellows, and oranges layered across its rolling hills. These unique colors were formed over millions of years by the compression and erosion of sandstone and minerals, creating a natural masterpiece that looks almost too perfect to be real. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is best explored at sunrise or sunset, when the mountains glow with vibrant hues, offering unforgettable views for visitors and photographers alike. A series of walkways and platforms allow visitors to get up close to this stunning terrain while providing panoramic perspectives of the surrounding area. Nestled in the remote reaches of Xinjiang's Altai Mountains, Canas Lake is a hidden gem that feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Known for its striking turquoise waters, which change color with the seasons, Canas is often called China's Switzerland. Surrounded by dense forests, alpine meadows, and snow-capped peaks, the lake is a haven of peace and folklore. Locals speak of a mythical lake creature, said to dwell in its depths, adding an air of intrigue to the already magical scenery. Visitors can enjoy different activities here, from hiking and horseback riding to boat tours that take you closer to the lake's serene waters. Located in the heart of Yunnan Province, the Shilin Stone Forest is a natural wonder that defies imagination. This vast expanse of towering limestone formations has been sculpted over 270 million years by water and wind, creating a forest of stone that stretches as far as the eye can see. The formations, some of which rise over 30 meters high, take on dramatic shapes, resembling animals, trees, and even mythical figures. Walking through the stone forest feels like stepping into a surreal, otherworldly landscape. Many of the formations have names, such as the Ashima Stone, which is tied to local legends of love and courage. Tucked away in the mountains of Sichuan, Jiuzhaigou Valley is a fairy tale landscape filled with shimmering turquoise lakes, cascading waterfalls, and vibrant forests that change color with the seasons. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is celebrated for its pristine beauty and biodiversity, making it one of China's most treasured natural wonders. The valley's most iconic features are its multi-tiered waterfalls, like the breathtaking Lijiang waterfall, and its crystal-clear lakes, such as the Five-Flower Lake, which glows with vivid shades of blue and green. The reflections of the surrounding mountains and trees on these waters are simply magical, creating a mirror-like effect that feels otherworldly. Visitors can explore Jiuzhaigou's wonders through well-maintained walking trails and shuttle buses that provide easy access to its main attractions. Moving to eastern China, we arrive at the Yellow Mountains, or Huangshan, in Anhui Province, a place that has inspired countless Chinese paintings and poems. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for its jagged granite peaks, ancient pine trees, and seas of mist that create an ethereal atmosphere. The mountain range is famous for its four wonders: peculiar pine trees, stunning rock formations, the sea of clouds, and natural hot springs. Highlights include Lotus Peak, the highest summit, and Bright Summit, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding beauty. Visitors can also take cable cars to various viewing platforms, making the peaks accessible to all. Huangshan's otherworldly beauty makes it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and photographers. It's not just a mountain, it's a living piece of Chinese art. Famous for its towering sandstone pillars and shrouded mist, the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in Hunan Province feels like a scene straight out of a fantasy movie. These natural columns rise dramatically into the sky, with some exceeding 200 meters in height. The most iconic of these, the Hallelujah Mountain, inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Visitors can explore this incredible landscape by walking along the park's glass-bottomed bridges or taking a ride in the Bailong Elevator, the tallest outdoor lift in the world. Adventurous travelers can hike the many trails that wind through the park's dense forests, offering close-up encounters with its surreal beauty. Zhangjiajie is a place where nature seems to defy gravity, creating a dreamscape that captivates all who visit. Flowing through the karst landscapes of Guangxi, the Li River is one of the most beautiful waterways in the world. Stretching from Guilin to Yangshuo, this serene river winds through towering limestone peaks, bamboo groves, and quaint villages, creating a scene straight out of a traditional Chinese painting. One of the best ways to experience the Li River is by taking a cruise or bamboo raft ride, which allows you to admire landmarks like Elephant Trunk Hill and Reed Flute Cave. Photographers and nature lovers flock here for the incredible sunrise views when the mist rising from the river adds a mystical touch to the scenery. The Li River is not just a natural wonder, it's a cultural icon that embodies the timeless beauty of southern China. Towering above the clouds at 8,848 meters, Mount Everest, or Chomolungma in Tibetan, is the tallest mountain on Earth. Located on the border of Tibet and Nepal, Everest is a symbol of adventure and endurance. Its snow-capped peaks and dramatic glaciers create an awe-inspiring sight that draws visitors from all over the world. Travelers can journey to the Tibet Base Camp, where you'll find unparalleled views of Everest's north face. The camp is a haven for trekkers and photographers seeking to capture the mountain's grandeur. For those not scaling the peak, just being in its presence is a humbling experience. Everest is more than a mountain. It's a testament to the majesty and mystery of nature. Welcome to Qinghai Lake, China's largest inland and saltwater lake, nestled high on the Tibetan Plateau in Qinghai Province. This stunning turquoise lake is surrounded by rolling grasslands, snow-capped mountains, and vibrant wildflowers, especially during summer. Spanning over 4,000 square kilometers, Qinghai Lake offers an unparalleled sense of serenity and vastness. The lake is a sanctuary for migratory birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. One of its most famous spots is Bird Island, where thousands of birds nest during the migration season. Visitors can hike or bike around the lake's perimeter, soaking in the breathtaking views and experiencing the tranquil beauty of the Tibetan landscape. One of the deepest river canyons in the world, Tiger Leaping Gorge is a spectacular natural attraction located in Yunnan Province. Carved by the roaring Jinsha River, a tributary of the Yangtze, the gorge is flanked by towering cliffs that rise over 3,000 meters above the water, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape. The gorge is divided into 3 sections, each with its own unique charm, and it's a favorite destination for hikers seeking both challenge and beauty. The trails wind through picturesque villages, terraced fields, and lush forests, offering stunning views of the canyon and the surrounding mountains. Legend has it that a tiger once leapt across the gorge at its narrowest point, giving it its name. Whether you come for the legends or the natural beauty, Tiger Leaping Gorge is a place where the power and majesty of nature take center stage. Mount Ma, one of China's 4 sacred Buddhist mountains, is a place where spirituality and natural beauty converge. Located in Sichuan province, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for its lush forests, ancient temples, and breathtaking views. The mountain's most iconic feature is the Golden Summit, where visitors can witness the awe-inspiring sea of clouds and, if lucky, a rare natural phenomenon called the Buddha's halo, a rainbow-like aura encircling your shadow. The mountain is also home to the giant Buddha of Lijiang, the world's largest stone Buddha statue, which sits at its base. Mount Ma offers a harmonious blend of culture, history, and nature, making it a truly unforgettable destination. While not a purely natural wonder, the Potala Palace and the surrounding Lhasa Valley in Tibet showcase the stunning interplay of human ingenuity and natural beauty. Nestled at an altitude of 3,700 meters, the valley is surrounded by towering peaks and dotted with prayer flags, monasteries, and rivers. The Potala Palace, once the winter residence of the Dalai Lama, stands majestically on Red Hill, overlooking the valley. This architectural marvel is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Tibetan Buddhism. Visitors can explore its sacred halls and courtyards, which house thousands of ancient artifacts and statues. The Lhasa Valley's serene landscapes and cultural richness make it a spiritual journey for any traveler. Nestled along the Li River, the karst mountains of Guilin and Yangshuo are some of the most iconic landscapes in China. These unique limestone peaks rise dramatically from the ground, creating a dreamy setting that has inspired Chinese artists and poets for centuries. Visitors can take bamboo raft rides along the river, cycle through the picturesque countryside, or hike up viewpoints like Moon Hill for panoramic views of this enchanting region. The sunrise and sunset here are particularly magical, casting a golden glow over the karst formations. Guilin and Yangshuo are a perfect blend of natural beauty and rural charm, offering an unforgettable experience for every traveler. One of China's 5 great mountains, Mount Tai, is a sacred site steeped in history and spirituality. Located in Shandong Province, this UNESCO World Heritage Site has been a place of worship for over 3,000 years, with emperors climbing its peaks to pay homage to heaven. The mountain is dotted with ancient temples, stone carvings, and scenic spots like the Red Gate Palace and the Jade Emperor Peak, the highest summit. The climb up Mount Tai involves ascending over 7,000 stone steps, a journey that's as much about spiritual reflection as it is about physical endurance. For those who prefer a more leisurely experience, cable cars are available to whisk you to the summit, where you can witness the famous Mount Tai sunrise. The combination of cultural significance and natural beauty makes Mount Tai a must-visit destination. The Yangtze River, the longest river in Asia, is one of China's most iconic natural features. Its most famous section, the Three Gorges, stretches through Chongqing, Hubei, and Sichuan provinces, offering dramatic landscapes of towering cliffs, lush greenery, and narrow waterways. The Three Gorges, Kutang Gorge, Wu Gorge, and Shilin Gorge, are best experienced on a river cruise, which takes you through this awe-inspiring stretch of the Yangtze. Along the way, you'll encounter cultural landmarks like the Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest hydroelectric project, and ancient relics such as the Shibaozhai Pagoda, perched on a cliffside. Whether you're admiring the river's power or the beauty of its surroundings, the Yangtze and its gorges provide a journey through both natural and cultural wonders. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Three Parallel Rivers National Park in Yunnan Province is one of the most remarkable places on Earth. Here, the Yangtze, Mekong, and Salween rivers flow side by side through deep gorges and towering mountains, separated by only a few dozen kilometers. This area is a biodiversity hotspot, home to rare flora and fauna, including snow leopards, red pandas, and over 6,000 plant species. The dramatic landscapes feature snow-capped peaks, alpine meadows, and dense forests, creating a paradise for adventurers and photographers. The park also holds cultural significance, as it is home to several ethnic minority communities, including the Naxi, Tibetan, and Yi peoples. Visiting this park offers not just stunning views but also an opportunity to experience the rich traditions of the region. The Three Parallel Rivers National Park is a true testament to the harmony of nature and culture. Known as the Queen of Sichuan's mountains, Mount Siguniang is a majestic mountain range located in the Quanglai Mountains. With its 4 distinct peaks, the highest of which reaches 6,250 meters, Mount Siguniang offers some of the most breathtaking landscapes in China. The area is often referred to as the Himalayas of the East due to its dramatic, snow-capped peaks that rise sharply from lush valleys below. The surrounding region is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for hiking, mountaineering, and trekking through scenic trails lined with alpine meadows, dense forests, and crystal-clear streams. Mount Siguniang is also home to diverse wildlife, including the elusive giant panda, Tibetan snowcocks, and wild boars. It's not just the beauty of the mountains that draws visitors, but also the chance to explore a pristine natural environment that has remained largely untouched by human development. At an altitude of over 4,700 meters, Namtso Lake in Tibet is one of the highest saltwater lakes in the world. Known as the Heavenly Lake Namtso, is celebrated for its pristine turquoise waters, which stretch endlessly against the backdrop of the Yenyenchen Tanglaha mountain range. This sacred lake is deeply significant in Tibetan Buddhism, and many pilgrims make spiritual journeys around its shores. The landscape surrounding Namtso is equally breathtaking, with rolling plains dotted by grazing yaks and small Tibetan villages. Namtso Lake is also a paradise for stargazers, offering crystal-clear night skies with countless stars reflecting on its tranquil surface. Whether you're there for its spiritual ambience or natural beauty, Namtso is a destination that leaves a profound impression on every visitor. Mount Yulong, also known as Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, is a stunning and iconic peak in Yunnan Province, China. Rising to 5,596 meters, this snow-covered mountain offers some of the most picturesque views in all of China, especially during the winter months when its snowy peaks contrast sharply against the lush greenery of the surrounding valleys. The mountain is part of the larger Yulong Snow Mountain Range, which is renowned for its dramatic terrain, including glaciers, alpine meadows, and pristine rivers. The diverse ecosystems of the mountain make it a hotspot for both botanists and wildlife enthusiasts, with unique plant species and animals like the black-necked crane. One of the most popular activities in the area is taking the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain cable car, which gives visitors access to high-altitude viewpoints offering panoramic views of the mountains and surrounding landscapes. Whether you are hiking, taking in the views, or exploring local villages, Mount Yulong is a breathtaking natural wonder that captures the essence of China's beauty. And finally, at the top of our list is the iconic Great Wall of China, specifically the stunning section at Jinshanling in Hebei Province. While the Great Wall is a testament to human ingenuity, its seamless integration with the surrounding natural landscape makes it a natural wonder in its own right. At Jinshanling, the wall winds across rolling hills and rugged mountains, offering panoramic views of the countryside. This section is less crowded than others, allowing visitors to truly immerse themselves in the tranquility and majesty of the Great Wall. Walking along the ancient stone path, you'll feel a deep connection to history while marveling at the breathtaking scenery. The Great Wall and its surroundings are a symbol of perseverance, beauty, and harmony between humans and nature. That wraps up our journey through the top 30 natural wonders in China you need to visit. From towering peaks to serene lakes, China's natural beauty is as diverse as it is breathtaking. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel inspiration.